I can't bother with the local 1 hour movie or something. Like when I watch a movie, I sit down have 5 hours on the TV and now I move. But you see, Avsnat, if you only watch that Tyler Perry movie, Avsnat, with Tika Stumpta, y'all missing out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Yes guys, so today I'll be doing a Q&A. Yes guys, so I posted on my Instagram the other day. Ask me whatever you want to ask about me and I'll answer the question. Yes, so a lot of people chipping in on some questions. I'm going to be answering some, and some of them I'm going to skip because some of them questions are them festive too bad. Listen, when they're doing this YouTube thing, you know, some of these people, they're very fast. Yeah, so how you guys doing? You guys doing good? So yeah, but now people not wait too long, you know. Not gonna keep you waiting too long. We're gonna jump right into it. So yes, the first question is, when is your birthday? So my birthday is August the 28th and I am 29 years old. Yeah, so I'm a Virgo. Get you a Virgo girl. Well, everybody said them month of them are the coolest, but I think I'm a very nice person. But if you get me out, I could be mad. And next thing about me being a Virgo, tell about me being a Virgo now. You see, if I rate you, I'm going to respect you a certain way, I'm going to look by a certain way. And you say bad about me, and me have proof say bad about me. Listen, I'm gonna cut you off. So a cherry. I'm gonna cut you off. I'm not gonna deal with you. I'm not gonna argue with you. I'm just gonna cut you off. Because it's fun. I don't have time for them kind of people. So yes, I was born August the 28th. And I'm 29 years old. You know? The next question is, how many kids do you have? I don't have any kids. No kids. Well, no kids don't give birth to. I'm on one. But so many times I never them. My kids them there. But I don't have a biological child. But many times I never them, I consider them as my kids. You know? Yeah. Let's talk about it. If you should collab with a YouTuber, who would it be? No, I will tell you, I know. I'm telling you my favorite YouTuber is King and Shay. I'm being honest. Like, the thing is just so real. I know what I like about them. Them real cool. This is where Mr. Cool is. Not gonna hear what I said. I said King and Shay. And the reason why I rate them so much, and I'm bashing no other YouTuber, but them keep them things simple. Them not try to overdo it with certain things, and them prank is so real. I could remember I was watching a prank with them a day when she prank him, say she run a prank on him, to say make them do fake prank, and King was so mad. And she was actually pranking him. So shit. He was so mad. Listen, me done with YouTube. If I go do that, me not go do it no more, whatever. Yeah, them are the realest. Huh? But yeah. Well, I live in America, but I love King and Shay. Yeah, I love them. I love them. You know? Yeah. Why did you start a YouTube channel? You know, honestly to God, is my little nephew, Mr. T. You see me in some of my videos, one of them I make him cry when me pretend so me fall off of the stairs and the blood and all that. He's the one who made me start a YouTube channel. Because he always be like, Auntie, you always videoing. And guess what happened to now? It have a day I went out the road to get something. So, I leave him at the house to go out the road and come back. He was 13. Was going like right out the road. But through me know say I'm rude, I hide my phone for video. The video you know, to see if I give a chubby night or something. But them end up find the phone. Them end up find the phone. It was two of them, huh? Them end up find the phone. You know, and text me on my next sister phone and I say, Auntie, you think you sleep? You think you sleep? You villainous, but we smarter than you. You know? So it was like, Auntie, you need to start a YouTube channel. You always videoing. You are so fun. You are funny and all that. You should start your own YouTube channel. Listen, I do so much research on this. I still don't get the proper way of editing and all of that. I just did research for my own. So that's the reason why I started this YouTube channel. Because I'm always post my Instagram and all of that crazy stuff. I like to video myself. When I go out, I'm always like this. Always up on the phone. Yeah, I love myself. I don't care what nobody think about me. I love me. You understand? So yeah, I never will make me really started. Mr. T. Yeah. When the people are fast though, are you in a relationship? No. I'm single. I'm in a relationship. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but it's not that perfect, you know? Yeah. Sometimes I think myself single. Cause lots of shit. Sorry for the word. You know, but yeah. So that'll be like an entanglement. Entanglement for 4 years, but yeah, that's what it is. What is your biggest fear? My biggest fear. My biggest fear is losing my parents. That is my biggest fear. I don't think I could have lived like without my parents. No, that's my biggest fear. You know, because sometimes the people say them lost them mother, them father, I say, Lord, I don't know how to text them. I would just text and say my condolence. But I don't know what it's like to text the person and I say, what can you really tell a person who lost them parents? They can't get back an experience, you know? So yeah, that's my biggest fear. Go down another question then, or no? I'm not answer that one there. So many people are too friggin' fast. Much question that I'm gone already. Let's see. The people are fast, you know? How many tattoos do you have? None. I don't have any tattoo. Alright. I'm tell you why I'm not a tattoo. Number one, back in Jamaica, they always say, if you put on a tattoo and like somebody need blood, you can't give them. And I always think my and stuff, you know? So I never put on. Two, I like it and I always want to put it on too. That's the next thing. But I'm afraid of the pain. So I not have none. And I don't think I'm going to put on any. But if I do put on any, or I'm going to put on any, we're not gonna know because I'm gonna do it live. Well, not live, I'm gonna video it if I'm putting on any. But I don't think for now, it's not in my thought, I'm not considering it or nothing like that, you know. So, but I have piercing. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my navel makes 6. So I have 6 piercing. Yes. 2 on each ear is my nose and my navel. You know, some people are fool. Sorry to say. Are you a virgin? A virgin gone left my gin a long time. I can't go stand and ask. I'm not for a long on that because there's no way should I even ask. I should not answer that question. I should not answer it. Not even me or any virgin. Ain't she gonna? Don't listen, yeah? But no, I'm not. Obvious, duh. Why would you all ask that? Who asked that? That's the dumbest question somebody can ever ask somebody. How would you ask that? Am I like a 16-year-old doing YouTube? No, I'm 29. Yeah, I'm gonna be 30 next year. Next question is, after this one, it's gonna be the last one. I'm just doing 10 questions today. If you don't want more Q&A, I'm gonna have to request it. Next one. What's your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show. Can it be series or regular show? I'm a series person, to be honest. I don't like to watch short films. But like getting night and I say yes. I feel like something in the movie with them, you know? The Haves and the Haves Not by Tyler Perry. That is my favorite TV show. I can't bother with the local 1 hour movie or something. Like when I watch a movie, I'm still gonna have 5 hours on the TV and now I move. But you see, Haves Not. If you only watch that Tyler Perry movie, Haves and Haves Not, with Tika Stumter, y'all missing out. Y'all missing out. Trust me. But that's a real good movie. You know? I'm eating chicken and fries. If you don't know what time now, it's 1:33 a.m. in the morning. And when I'm done, I upload the video right now because this video was supposed to be posted from yesterday at 5. But I don't know, so I'm in a college. I have a lot of studying to do. Plus I just do my little parties and cook and stuff. But you have to study and all of that. So sometimes I kind of delay because I have stuff doing, you know. So my favorite TV show is Haves and Haves Not. It's a series. It comes out since 2014. Yeah. That's my favorite series. Yeah. The last one. Are you planning on having kids? Yes, I am. But not now. Maybe next 2 years from now. Yeah, not now. I'm not planning on having no kids now. But I love kids. If it happened, it happened. But I'm not planning on having none. I have so much things. The reason why I say next 2 years because that's when I'll be finishing college. So I have so much things that I want to accomplish before kids come in the picture, you know? So, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And also, click the link below to follow me on all social media platforms. You can follow me on Facebook at Corey Goodas and on Instagram at Corey_Goodas. Yeah. Bye guys. Love you guys. Thank you for watching.